Another update tayo guys dito sa IG post ni Kiddy kung saan ay ipinost niya napaka-pogi at hawak niya ang kanyang baby. Ayon dito kay Mother Lily, the next important star and ABS-CBN, mark my word, this guy will go far at Kiddy Estrada. Bilang isang mahusay sa pagkilatis ng mga artista, anong nakikita mo kay Kiddy Babe, Kiddy Mother? Tanong ni Tito Joe. Yung mata mare, saka talented siya. Something about his eyes, nangungusap. Sabi ko sa'yo, pag natutunan nito lalo yung tamang pagbitaw at pagbuga ng dialogues. Future best actor. Oy, ang ganda ng mensahe, ang ganda ng message ni Mother Lily. And fairness naman kay Mother Lily, favorite niya si Alexa and Kiddy. So tuwing may mga post itong dalawa, agad siya nagbigay komento, good vibes, at nakatag pa talaga sa kanyang wall. Thank you so much, Mother Lily, for appreciating this guy, Kiddy Estrada. That's so true. His recent performance and shows how much he's grown at and artist. Sobrang napaka-talented and mahusay. Ang laki ng improvement talaga ni Kiddy, lalo na kasama si Alexa. No doubt about and trust, Mother. So, napaka-interested ako sa iyong mga message for Kiddy. Thank you so much, Mother Lily. Marami naman nagpapasalamat kay Mother Lily dahil sa kanyang pagpuri at lagi siyang nagbigay komento dito kay Kiddy. Thank you so much po. I hope and pray that's what my heart wants for him. Mom, someday, and I know it will make happen and fight time again, Kiddy Estrada. Praying for that, Mother, kasi deserve niya ni Kiddy and very humble, hardworking, and passionate sa ginagawa niya. Ang ganda naman kasi po, ang ganda naman ng pagbukas ko sa Twitter, Mother. Thank you so much for always appreciating Kiddy. We manifest with you, love. Minamarkahan pa talaga ni Mother si Kiddy. Yung talaga bang batang iyan, very open and criticism, be humble. Madiskarte pa sa buhay. Bata pa lang may business na siya. Thank you so much sa iyong pagko-comment sa aming Tutoy Kiddy. Bunso namin po yan, Mother. Napakabait. Nalala ko myself, cursing PBB noong natanggal si Kiddy. Si Mother po, funny, ng mga Daniel, and Kyle. Daniel, pareho pang Taurus. Like what Alexa did, said, and will shine any minute now. Agree ako dyan, mabigyan lang sila Alexa na magandang project at magaling na director. Thank you so much, Mother, to support at wala kay Kiddy. Manifest natin yan, maniniwala lang tayo. Alam ng management kung gaano sila kagaling. And I believe him so much. Malayo pa talaga mararating ang batang iyan. Sobrang madiskarte, talented, and negosyante na. So, ayan guys, mga netizens, sweethearts, salamat kay Mother Lily. Lagi po niyang pinupuri si Kiddy. And also, Alexa Ilacad. Init. Init.